Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 202 rotary desk telephone with an E1 handset and a bell box that is an aftermarket style bell box, so it's a newer version. And this is Irwin's equipment from Puerto Rico, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool equipment. And we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. Now, Irwin has a note with this unit, and he's talking about the receiver capsule. And it has the original style receiver capsule. It's a diaphragm type, and he wants to upgrade that receiver capsule. He doesn't really care for the volume of it, and he doesn't like the tinty sound that the older style diaphragm receiver capsules have. So we're going to be upgrading that. We also have an issue with the bell. He's talking about when he picks up the handset and hangs it up, and when he dials the rotary, he gets a tinkle of the bell, so it has a bell bounce. Now, we also have an issue with the rotary. I noticed that the rotary is a little bit sluggish, and it wants to try to lock up sometimes. And so we want to go ahead and troubleshoot the rotary. And he purchased this telephone from the internet from someone who sells telephones, and he says he purchased it last October. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone equipment. We have a lot of work that needs to be done, so we want to get a start on the troubleshooting, repairing, and conversion process. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of the telephone, but we want to show what Irwin was talking about with the bell. And he gets a little bit of a bell tinkle whenever he tries to dial the telephone or when he hangs up or picks up the receiver. And so now we're going to go ahead and show you. If you hear that little bit of a tinkle it did, and then we want to dial. So we're going to go ahead and repair the bell for Irwin, and we're going to take a short break and we'll be right back for our final checkout. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric 202 rotary desk telephone and bell box, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and upgraded our receiver capsule. We went through our rotary, that was cleaned, oiled, and adjusted, and we have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. We went ahead and took care of the issue with the bell. When you would dial the telephone, the bell would want to ring a little bit. So that has been taken care of. And we normally use this pickup in repairing, converting, and on our final checkouts. And since we have a handset that is shaped a little funny and it doesn't want to stand up real well, we went ahead and took the amplifier directly to the line, And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I want to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We want to go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle to the bell box, so we'll go ahead and start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We do not have the tinkle of the bell any longer. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and push the button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Wednesday, July 5th. The current time, 4:34 p.m. and the temperature, 79 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can give you some dial tone. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. We'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 202 rotary desk telephone and bell box has been repaired and converted, we can return them to Erwin and he can enjoy this telephone equipment once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.